In the maths kit, another TLM is the three-dimensional solid shapes. Even if this is hollow, we call it a solid shape. Why is this hollow? It is because we keep an inner net inside. So for this shape, there is a net. So that is why it is hollow. If we want to make this ourselves, how do we do it? Since we have the nets already, we can follow the available shapes and create a similar net using the available designs and put it on a cardboard or a sheet. Then we get the same solids. Let us see how to do it now. First, let us make a square-based pyramid. First, let us draw a square. Six centimeters by 6 centimeters. Let us see how a pyramid can be made. It is like this. First, we should draw a triangle. Then the same triangle should be repeated 4 times. Take it from the center. From the center, the point here should measure 6 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters. In the same way, we are drawing another side. This is the same arm of the same pyramid. This should measure 6 centimeters. This is also 6 centimeters. This is the second triangle. This is the third triangle. This is the fourth triangle. We can do it in another way also. Keep it like this. 6 centimeters. Now take the center point of every 6 centimeters. Mark it. After that, we have to draw a triangle on each side of the square. On each side of the square. How do we do it? From here, we mark 6 centimeters, put a point, and then draw a line. With this activity, children will learn how to make this shape also, and they will also learn about how to measure it. How does it look? Everything will be understood. So they are not learning only about the shapes, they are also learning how to make different shapes with what formula. This is how we should fold it. When you fold it, we should keep a point in mind. If you leave little space here, it will be easy to glue it. Let us see how to cut the shapes. While cutting this, let us leave a little space. like this. Do you know why? While cutting this, now when you cut it like this. Now the extra place that we have left, let us fold it like a wing. That will make it easy to glue it inside. In the same way, fold all the sides properly, then the shape will be seen clearly. So after folding this, apply glue. Once you have put glue, slowly start joining them. This is how a pyramid, a square-based pyramid, is created in 3 dimensions. Similarly, cuboid, a cube, cylinder, cone, they can all be made using the inner net. But if you keep space like small wings, it will be easy to glue it. Why there is no wing in this is because it is made to insert inside here. It means it is made to be placed inside a hollow solid cube. Whenever we want to make a hollow solid cube using this net, then we need to leave a space for the wings to join easily. How do we do this? Let us see. Cuboid and a cube, cylinder and cone. And a square-based pyramid. So, we can make our own solid shapes. For every shape, the base is the inner net. Let us keep the inner net here. It's a cuboid and this is a cone. When children prepare all solid shapes themselves, they will understand the character of these shapes very well. Also, they will develop strong foundation of geometry. That is also possible.